Fido have a good night-night.
Yeah, he did just have a good night-night.
He have a good night-night.
You are doing so great at holding him. Yeah, till 6 o'clock. That's when we're supposed to...
Wait till 6 o'clock, Fido.
Mommy and Daddy don't like it when you get out of bed before 6 o'clock, do we? I am so proud of you, Lily. Oh, is he talking to you?
Hi, Fido.
Oh, he likes you. Oh, he's stretching.
He's sweating.
Yeah.
He's sweating.
Yeah. It's a lot of work, isn't it? Is it a lot of work being a big sister?
He's talking.
Is he talking? Oh, his tongue.
It's okay, Fido.
Yeah. You want Daddy to take him?
No.
Okay.
Do you want to change his diaper?
Okay, let's change his diaper.
Okay, we're going to change his diaper.
Okay.